Hello, we're Brian O'Hara and Fiona Mackenzie, and we'd like to tell you about our new project, Cheese.
We're based in the beautiful Highlands of Scotland and perform, collect and write songs primarily from the Scottish Gaelic tradition.
We're recording an album which will have a mix of traditional songs and newly composed work, mainly in Gaelic. When we were writing the songs, we drew inspiration from our rich Gaelic folklore as well as contemporary matters which we as Highlanders feel passionate about. Land reform, engaging with our environment, questioning of authority, and life, love and loss.
When we first began to think about this project, we decided that we really wanted to work with some of our favourite musical and visual artists from the Highlands and Islands. In fact, the entire project has been created and produced in the Highlands and Islands of Scotland.
This album will have rich layered harmonies with a mix of acoustic and electronic sounds with strong arrangements and high production values.
Between us, we have recorded and performed in over 30 albums with various acts such as Annam, Mackenzie and Crown, but this is the first time we are recording as a duo.
We're working with Keith Morrison from the Wee Studio in Stornoway and Pete Fletcher at the new Black Bay Studio in Bernera on the west side of Lewis.
The album will be co-produced by esteemed musician and composer Mike Vass, who's also performing on the album.
Inverness-based artist Rachel Cush of Crafty Martin Art will deliver the visual elements of the project, and the inlay design will be done by Anna Roach of Graphic Anna, who's based on the beautiful Isle of Canna.
We've started this Kickstarter campaign to allow us to complete the album, including the mastering, design, manufacturing, promotion and distribution. We hope that you would like to back this project, and maybe you'd consider sharing this information with your own friends and family who may also be interested.
Bíomid nar cumain, na bíag sibh Jonach an teachgurach a scuailg fada is farsing. Ciad tang ar sunnar nara agus hasin an dòchas gon còrd de chlàr ruibh.
Thanks very much for watching, and we hope that you enjoy the album when it's released later this summer.